My name is Verinde, and I'm part of Co-Build 19. And today, I'm really excited to introduce you to my niece and nephew.
So, I'm Nife, and I'm Caleb, and we live in Houston, Texas. I am 9. My birthday is next week, and I'm going into 5th grade. I am 7, and my birthday is in November 7th, and I'm going into 2nd grade.
Nice. And what are we making today?
Now we're making red velvet cupcakes, and they are vegan because my brother has dairy allergies and stuff. So we're making vegan red velvet cupcakes. Okay, so first you need 2 cups of flour. So next you have 1 cup of white sugar. Next you do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You will do half a teaspoon of salt after the baking soda. Okay, and then after this, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then after that, you use a whisk and you whisk it all together. Okay, so once you've finished mixing it all together, it should kind of look something like this, maybe. And in a separate bowl, in another bowl, mix the wet ingredients, which are 1 cup of buttermilk, which is lemon juice and milk, soy milk. And then you will pour it in there. Okay. Next, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'll measure. Next, 1 flax egg. A flax egg is made out of 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of hot water. And you'll just pour that in. So pour. Okay. Next, 1/3 of a cup of oil. It says high virgin oil, but you can substitute it for any other oil. So, and then you'll just if not all the oil goes out, you can use a spatula or something to get it out and pour it in. And after that, you will add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So, the white vinegar, and you just pour it. Okay. And then after that, you can make it. After the vinegar, after the white vinegar, which can be substituted for apple cider vinegar, you do 3 tablespoons of red food dye. Do the rest dye. And 3. Okay. After that, you will use a whisk. Use the electric whisker instead of the whisk. Use the electric whisker until it's all completely mixed. And it looks like this, kind of like this, or it could be darker. A little bit, like it's like this kind of red, like that. Okay. And after you've mixed that properly, it's combined fully, you will and then you will add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and you will mix it again. So just pour it in there. Mix it in one direction or else it won't rise properly. And then let me because the flour will be. Okay, and next you will mix it all together. Okay, mix until it's properly cooked, properly mixed well, and it's smooth. Put it on your oven already and put it at 350. Okay, and keep on mixing. And once you're done, get your cupcake liners or containers and spray them with oil so that it doesn't stick. Or you could use butter. You just want to spray a little bit in each one. Okay. And then you can pour it by hand, or you can use a cupcake scooper or a spoon, either one. And you'll put it on the edge, and then you'll pour it in. Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, and then you just keep on going until you don't have any more batter left. You should have them in the oven for 25 minutes or until they look ready, and you insert it into a stick or a fork. While they're in the oven, you can clean up and get stuff done. Okay, so for the red velvet frosting, we already made ours, but we're going to walk our aunt through making it. So you need 3 cups of powdered sugar.
3 cups of sugar.
Okay, and then 1/3 of a cup of vegan butter.
Okay. And I have my 1/3 of a cup, and then am I melting a little bit to make it easier?
Yeah, that would work. Just 10 seconds, don't microwave it too much. And now you have 1 tablespoon of milk.
Of swim, yeah?
Okay. And after that, you had 1 tablespoon of the dye. You don't have to use 1 tablespoon. You could use as much as you want or as much as you feel will be needed. After that, you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. You use your electric whisk. Ours is right here. So, but first you can fold all the ingredients in and stuff, but then you'll need your whisk to whisk it all together.
Should it look like this kind of? Guys, is this right? Should it look like that?
Yeah, kind of, but just mix it a little more so it comes together more.
Like that?
Yeah, that's better. Okay, now use the spatula again to get all of buttercream out of the whisk. And after this, you could use like a spatula too and just like, mix it a little bit. It should look something like this.
Okay.
What you'll do is, like, you could put it in the fridge if your cupcakes aren't ready yet. And then when your cupcakes are ready, you could get a bag, cut a hole in it, or you could use a piping bag. Put the buttercream in there and frost your cupcakes.
All right. That's awesome. Okay, so when the cupcakes come out, can we frost them right away or do we have to wait for them to cool down?
You have to wait for them to cool down so that the buttercream doesn't melt.
That makes sense. This has been really fun. Good job. I learned a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
I miss you guys. I can't wait until we can actually bake together in person.
Me too. Me too.